अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम लोग एफएससी पार्ट वन बायोलॉजी के चैप्टर टू का टॉपिक है जो कार्बन, उसको डिस्कस करते हैं। कार्बन बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स। एक्चुअली कार्बन इज अ सेंट्रल रोल इन ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स. इट इज द बेसिक एलिमेंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक compounds. Why carbon is a central position? Here is some point which tell us that carbon really have importance. Carbon is tetravalent. Tetravalent means carbon can form four covalent bonds arranged in a tetrahedral structures. Second point, carbon bonds with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur to create diverse organic compound. Carbon-carbon bond. Carbon can bond to another carbon, forming stable carbon chain or ring, which is the backbone of each and every organic molecule. Properties of carbon. First property is single covalent bond. It can also form single bond, it can form double bond, it can form triple bond. Single covalent bond share electron, example hydrogen molecule. Carbon form single bond with hydrogen. Second point is properties store large amount of energy in covalent bond. They can store large amount of energy in covalent bond. Third point is form branch or unbranched chain and ring structure. Next point is what is the importance of carbon in biological molecules? Carbon can form a bond with hydrogen, which is a source of chemical energy for cellular activities. Cellular activities are the cell activities in which can be respiration, muscle contraction, reactions. The energy for these chemical activities come from the carbon and hydrogen bond. Then the second one is carbon and oxygen bond provides stability. It provides stability. Example glycosidic bond in carbohydrates. In carbohydrates, carbon bound with the oxygen which provide us stability. In carbon and nitrogen bond, peptide bond from proteins. Proteins in proteins, when proteins made, the amino acid bind with each other with carbon and nitrogen bond and form the protein, which play a structural and functional role in our body. Carbon is the organic compound and have two type of different molecules in it, micromolecule and macromolecule. When it form a small molecule, it called micromolecule, and when it form large molecule, it called macromolecule. Macromolecule examples are glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, and the function of these micromolecules are energy source or building block of macromolecules. When they combine with each other and form macromolecule, immediate energy. For example, ATP. ATP is the source of energy in the cell, in the cellular activities. Unstable release energy quickly. And the macromolecules are having the high molecular weight. Examples protein, lipids, carbohydrate. And the functions are structural components, energy storage. Here is a summary of our topic, carbon in life. It has a tetravalency. It can form one carbon, can form four bonds with hydrogen. Stable carbon-carbon bond. When they form carbon to carbon bond, they are stable. They can combine with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. Organic compound, micromolecule and macromolecule. Small one is glucose, ATP, which provide us energy, and the large mean macromolecule are protein and lipids. Thank you so much. Write down in the comments if you need any type of video on any topic.